I'm Rachel from the Behavior Check-In, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and talk about my new Happy Planner purchase. Now let me move it in so you can see it. I have been with Happy Planner now for 5 years and I absolutely love Happy Planner. I thought about trying something different this year because I do teach SPED, but when I thought about it, I did my research, I just went right back in to the Happy Planner again because I love the Happy Planner so much and I really enjoy the features that it has, and it's really cute. So before we go ahead and get into the unboxing, I wanted to do my teacher shout out for the day. So I am shouting out Miss Cat from My So-Called Teacher Life, and you can go ahead and see her Instagram right over here and go ahead and check out her channel. She has all sorts of wonderful things that she posts on her channel about faith, God, teaching, planning. She's amazing, very inspiring, so please go over and check her channel out. If you would like to be featured in my next video, over to my Instagram and leave a thoughtful comment on my Instagram and leave a thoughtful comment in my comments down below. So, all right, let's get started. Well, I looked at the different ones and I decided to go ahead with the kit just because I feel like I get more. I don't know, that's just me. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what we got inside. So we'll get my scissors. They always put so much tape on these. All right, so here she is, and I'll let you see that. I know there's such a glare, I'm sorry. There is Beauty in Simplicity, and I like this one. I just thought it was really pretty. If you look, this is the back. It's got that nice like rose gold writing on it, which is really nice. And then the inside, this is really cute too. And I don't know, I might end up going up with this as my cover. I'll show you in a later video how I customize it and make it my own. So here's the cover page. I'll go ahead and take that stuff off. So if you just see, you've got the stuff to put your basic information in there. Room, school, address, all that. So we have our academic calendar right here, and I'll go in and highlight dates according to my school calendar on that. That's what I always do. It's like one of the first things, and I'll show you when I do that, and we do it together. And then over here for the substitute, I don't use this because I don't leave my planner for the substitute. I really don't know anybody who does. But the cool thing about it is you don't have to keep it in your planner. Like, I will probably take this out and just laminate it and put it in my sub binder for my substitute if they need to look at anything, because I think that'll be helpful for them. All right, as a SPED teacher, I love these pages, these year at the glances, because I go ahead and put all of my annual dates in there, my annual reviews, just so I know what's coming. I always like to try to schedule my stuff out at least 3 weeks in advance before their annual due dates. I am so sorry guys, this camera is crooked. All right, much better. Now we're not crooked anymore. Okay, so I like to do these, and like I said, I typically try to schedule my IEP meetings out 2 or 3 weeks before the due date, because you just don't know if things come up. You go into quarantine for COVID. You don't want to miss a date because that's really, really bad. So make sure that you have them scheduled out in advance. But I like knowing when they are, and then I personally go in to my calendar pages and then I just mark, 2 weeks out and that sort of thing. And then I can kind of pencil in when I want to have the IEP written, when I want to do my testing and have all my stuff in, when I want to do my student surveys, my parents' input, all that stuff. And I just kind of put that in my calendar. I'm gonna actually move this. I think it'll be better if I shoot it down so you can kind of see as I go through it. Now over here, this is our first page, and I love how it shows you the months that you have kind of behind you, current and then future, so you can kind of plan out. I like the birthdays and the goals, and this is absolutely beautiful. So this is for the month of August. I love this foil pink, just absolutely stunning. In a field of roses, she is a wild flower. So let's go ahead and look at the next month. So here's September. This is one I showed you. It's a little off. But the same, birthdays and goals. And then this one has a nice little quote. Well, not quote, sorry. This one down here tells us the days that we have coming up. And then this is just the begin. We start school in August. So September, we are well begun. All right. Here's October. This is my birthday month, so I always love to see what October has. So we have our same little page right over here. But then this one, I am so glad to live in a world where there are Octobers. Anne of Green Gables, and I would agree, girlfriend. October is an amazing month. October is beautiful in Mississippi. It's like perfect weather. November, a grateful heart is... I'm gonna have to look over here. So, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. I love this. Gratitude. I'm always preaching gratitude because you know what? You're never gonna be happy if you can't be thankful for what you have. So I really love that. I love how it likes to tell us when daylight savings time woo, I can't talk, ends. Y'all, as a teacher, I hate daylight savings time. Who's with me? Give me an amen on that one. December, merry and bright. January. All right, well, that's not that exciting. Well, they could at least put something, whatever. Oh, this is cute. So for February, love. I like that it has that rose gold detailing again. March. And suddenly you know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. You know, this would have been great for January. I'm surprised they put that in March, but I like that. It's pretty. I like that pattern. I don't know if any of you all do this. I like to sometimes take mine and frame them because I think they're really pretty and then kind of use them as decor. I don't know. What do you do with your old Happy Planner monthly pages? Monthly cover pages. Ooh, I love this. Live more, worry less for April. And April, yeah, I think we're spending a lot of time worrying. That is full on IEP season. And I am a stress machine usually in April, and we're gearing up for state testing. So, and we're getting ready to start state testing. So definitely that's a good motto to have for April. May. All right, let's see. So we got some succulents. Who doesn't love some succulents? Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let it go, and see what happens. Mandy Hale. I love that. I have a feeling this is going to be a page that gets recycled and framed and put in my room because that's super cute. Now, we are out of school in June. In case I get some sort of desire to do ESY, then I will use my planner then. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this quote. Do all the things with kindness. And then we've got some flowers. It's really pretty. And then July. Sorry, y'all, it's hard to do with one hand. Happiness blooms from within. Got some really pretty flowers. So all in all, really cute. Back here, I have my checklists. They have the notebook paper down here. And it just says, jot it down for notes. And then over here, you don't have to see the whole staircase just to take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. I like that. It's a cute quote. All right, so I don't use my checklists. I have my own data system. And so these, I just will probably give to somebody else. If you're interested and you want them, you need the checklist, it's something you use, just hit me up on Instagram or leave it a comment below, first come first serve, and I will mail these to you because I don't need them. And I actually have a whole bunch from my years before too, so as many little checklists as you want, I will send you what I have. You can have them and not have to pay for them because I don't need them. I will probably take all of this out and then I'll show you in a second what I'm going to do. So I also got this little paper right here, this happy planner paper. And I'm going to use that where my checklists are for notes. So this year I'm actually our department head. So I'm going to be taking a lot of notes, going to a lot of meetings, and I want everything in one place. I thought about getting a notebook, but that was just one more thing for me to have to remember to shove in my bag. So I wanted to just use it within my planner. And I got this paper. I thought that was really cute. It says, "You got this." And I might need that reminder because, you know, I got to learn to believe in myself. And I will put that in there where the checklists are so I can add my notes and take lots of nice, pretty notes and have them in one spot. Another thing this planner came with, sorry, I am jumping around like crazy today, but it came with these bookmarkers that I'm holding upside down. But I love this. That's such pretty detail. And I use my bookmarkers a lot because, you know, you gotta know where you're at and what you're working on. I'll probably use my bookmarker from last year to section off where I left off in my notes. Then also showing what came in the rest of my box since I decided to give a move around. All right, so they have this corner. I think this is for decoration. I don't know. I think you could possibly use it to mark your spot too, or like separate pages. Is this decoration or do we use it for anything? If you all know, let me know down in the comments below if you use this for something or if you just throw it away. I'd love your inputs. Okay. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna put you down for a second while I figure out how to open this. All right, now we're ready. Okay, so it came with this folder, this Happiness Blooms from Within. I don't know. I don't really use the folders a lot in Happy Planner. I feel like you can't stuff a lot of stuff in here. I'm actually thinking this year of going ahead and getting the hole punch and then just like setting up a separate tab, probably using one of my older pages from last year's Happy Planner. And just setting a place for like documents for whatever I get, things from PD and that sort of thing. And I'll probably put them in there because this just doesn't hold anything really big. I've tried every year. I have high hopes, but I wish Happy Planner would make one that would hold a full-size sheet of paper because that'd be a lot more helpful. But this is still really cute. So I don't know. We'll see. It might break up some stuff in my section, so I'll probably still leave it in there, but it is cute. Then it came with these stickers that kind of match the planner theme, so this is cute. I have a ton of stickers, and I probably will end up getting more. I'm planning on doing a Michael's run tomorrow, so I may take you along for that, show you what I pick up. Some more meeting important top 5 upcoming. Those are cute. And then this is cute. Balance power with grace. Do all things with kindness. These are all celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Like the little books. Those are cute. Then we have these little washies. Let's see what they look like. Pardon my nails, I really need to do them. And then this one right here, that's super cute too. All right, now I'm going to show you some other things that I got while I was out just because I thought they could be helpful. So I found these, and I love these because I kind of do my top 5 every day, top 6 things that I have to get done. I use my planner in conjunction with like the rest of my life because I tried 2 planners once, it didn't work. So we're going this route, and I think this will work a lot better because I can put things off to the side, things I want to do for YouTube, for TPT, for just managing kids and sports and things I've got to work on, meetings I've got to attend. So I really like these, like that I can put them, check them off, write things on the side, and they're just super cute. I know they're meant for something smaller, but I figure I can stick them into mine and they'll kind of be just something I can put either on my calendar page or somewhere. I don't know. I'll play around with it. I'll show you what I figure out doing, but this is what they're supposed to look like. So that's really cute. And then I saw this. This is like the recollections, but look at that. I'll take these out so we can see them. Try this with one hand. So we've got these cute little pens right here. I love that. Best teacher ever. Kind of looks like the little notebooks and a ruler. So that's fun. Who doesn't need more pens? Now this is a Bright Idea notepad. And I love notepads. I love to write things down. And this is super cute. Just for things I want to jot down really fast. And it's got a fair amount of pages, so. And then these little clippies. These little binder clips. Alright, hold on. Alright. We have these different binder clips. We have to grade, urgent, send home, graded, to do. I like these. These are nice. These are fun. Nice way to organize things. I love binder clips. I do everything with binder clips. And then I just like that I have this little bag for pencils and all that. This one, it goes in and hooks into the recollection planners, but I could put it in, I don't know. I might be able to put some washi tape on it and make it so that it fits into my happy planner. I'll just have to play around and see if that works. All right, I hope you enjoyed getting a peek inside the happy planner that I picked up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.